Hello all, welcome to part 2 IPM fractions chapter 1. So let's start with the question 3. Which of the following fraction is not equal to 2 by 3? And the options are 26 by 39, 38 by 57, 62 by 93 and none of these. So now what will be the answer? So we have to try option by option by the cut method. So the first option 26 by 39, I cut it by 13. 13 2s are 26, 13 3s are 39. So 2 by 3. So 26 by 39 and 2 by 3, they are equivalent. So 26 by 39, it is equal to 2 by 3. So this can't be the answer because it is asking which fraction is not equal to 2 by 3. Then the second option 38 by 57, we will cut it by 19. So 19 2s are 38 and 19 3s are 57. So this is equal to 2 by 3. So again this can't be the answer. Now our third option 62 by 93. So we will cut it by 31. 31 2s are 62. 31 3s are 93. So this is again equal to 2 by 3. So this can't be the answer. So the correct answer for the third question is fourth, none of these. Now the fourth question, 1/3 of a number is less than half of the same number by 10. Find the number. So how we will go this question? How we will do this question? So first of all, 1/3 of the number. So let the number be x. So 1/3 of the number will be 1 by 3rd into x, right? Because of means into. So 1/3 means 1 by 3. Of a number means into, that's multiply by x, as we assume number to be x. Is less than half of the same number by 10. Is, that means, what does is means? Is means equal to less than half of the same number. So half of the same number is 1 by 2x minus 10. So from this equation we can clearly know that half of the same number, it is greater than 1/3 of the number by 10. So 1/3 of the number will be equal to half of the number minus 10. So our equation thus formed will be 1 by 3rd x equal to 1 by 2x minus 10. Now 1 by 2x, it will come in the different sides. So the sign will change from addition, will change to subtraction. So minus 1, it will change to minus. So 1 by 3x minus 1 by 2x equal to minus 10. Okay. Now by the cross multiplication, 1 2s are 2 minus 3 1s are 3 divide by 3 2s are 6. So 2 minus 3 by 6, x equal to minus 10. So the answer will be minus 1 by 6x equal to minus 10. Now as minus is on the both sides, we can cut it. We will cut minus minus. So the answer will be 1 by 6x equal to 10. So x will be 10 into 6, that is 60. But how does 10 into 6 come? 1 by 6, it is multiplied to x. So when it will go on the other side, it will be divided. So it will be 10 divided by 1 by 6. And if you want to change the division sign into multiplication sign, we reverse the number. So 10 divided by 1 by 6, it will be 10 into 6. And that's 60. So answer for the fourth one is 4, 60. Now the fifth question, 7 by 9 minus 2 by 5. Is this small or 7 minus 2 divided by 9 minus 5? So which of these is smaller? So first we will solve the first one, 7 by 9 minus 2 by 5. By the cross multiplication, 7 into 5, 35, minus 9 into 2, 18, divide by 9 5s are 45. That will be 17 by 45. You can do it either by cross multiplication or by LCM method also, anything which you suit best. So the answer for the first one is 17 by 45. Now the second one, 7 minus 2 divided by 9 minus 5. So 7 minus 2 is 5, 9 minus 5 is 4. So 5 by 4. Now we have to compare between 17 by 45 and 5 by 4. So we'll find the LCM of 45 and 4. So the LCM of 45 and 4 is 180. So now we will change both the fraction denominators into 180. So whatever number will multiply to denominator, we have to multiply the same number to numerator as well. So 17 by 45, 45 into 4 equal to 180. So multiplying 4 to 17, so 17 into 4 divide by 45 into 4, which is 68 by 180. 5 by 4, 4 into 45 is 180. So multiplying 45 to the numerator also. 5 into 45 divided by 4 into 45 equal to 225 divided by 180. Now which is greater, 68 by 180 or 225 by 180? Of course 225 by 180. So the first option, it is the smaller one, and the second, it is the greater one. So the answer for the fifth one will be 1 first. Now the sixth question, which of the following fraction it is greatest? Now we have to find which of the following fraction is greatest. So we can see by the LCM method, but it will be very time consuming. So we will see it by the half method. Half of 8, that means the denominator. We have to find the half of denominator and see if numerator is greater than it or smaller than it. So half of 8 is 4, 3 is smaller than 4. So 3 by 8, it is less than half. Now 6 by 15, half of 15 is 7.5 and 6 is smaller than 7.5. So this whole fraction 6 by 15, it is less than half. Now 18 by 21, half of 21 is 10.5. 18, it is greater than 10.5. So it is more than half. Now 19 by 36. 19 by 36, half of 36 is 18 and 19, it is greater than 18. So this is also more than half. So we get 2 which is less than half and 2 which are more than half. Now we have to find which is greatest. So we have to compare between those two fractions that are more than half. So now we have only 2, so we can easily find the LCM. So 18 by 21 and 19 by 36. So we can cut short 18 by 21. Right, we can cut short it. 3 6 are 18. 3 7 are 21. So 6 by 7. Now which is greater, 6 by 7 or 19 by 36? We can find the LCM. The LCM of 7 and 36 is 252. Now we have to multiply the denominators to bring 252. We have to multiply the same number with the numerator as well. So 6 by 7 equal to 6 into 36 divided by 7 into 36 equal to 216 by 252. 19 by 36 equal to 19 into 7 divided by 36 into 7. So it is 133 by 252. Now which is greater? 216 by 252 is greater or 133 by 252 is greater? 216 by 252 is greater. Now starting with the seventh question, which of the following is smallest? So again we will do it by the half method. 11 by 21, half of 21 is 10.5. 11, it is greater than 10.5. So this whole fraction 11 by 21, it is more than half. Now 7 by 17, half of 17 is 8.5. 7, it is smaller than 8.5. So this whole fraction 7 by 17 is less than half. 8 by 15, half of 15 is 7.5. 8, it is greater than 7.5. So greater than half. Now 19 by 36, half of 36 is 18. 19 is greater than 18. So this whole fraction 19 by 36 is greater than half. So the smallest fraction, that is only and only less than half, it is 2. 7 by 17. Now, eighth question. Before eighth question, I want to tell you that whenever we have to use the half method, the thing you have to remember is you have to find first the half of the denominator. Whatever is the denominator, you have to find the half of the denominator and see if the numerator it is greater than the half of the denominator, smaller than the half of the denominator. If the numerator it is greater than the half of denominator, the whole fraction it will be greater than half. But if the denominator is half, the numerator is smaller than the half of denominator, whole fraction is smaller. Now the eighth question, which same number should be replaced in both the asterisks in asterisk by 21 into asterisk by 189 equal to 1. Now, how we will solve this? So, whenever in such type of question, what we have to do? I'll tell you. So, our first step is we have to multiply both the fraction, that is asterisk by 21 and multiply by asterisk by 189. So, what will be the multiplication? Asterisk into asterisk, it will be asterisk square divided by 21 into 189. So this will multiply that is now equal to 1. Now the denominator part 21 into 189, it is being divided. So when it will come to the different side, to the other side, it will be multiplied. So it will be asterisk 2 equal to 1 into 21 into 189. Now asterisk 2 equal to 21 into 189. So the one method is that we can find the multiplication of 21 into 189 and then find that whose square will result to that number. Okay, so it will be a lengthy method. So the easier method is you have to factorize the number. You have to find the prime factorization of the number. So 21's prime factorization will be 3 into 7, 7, 1. And 189, it will be as follows. So, now we will put it in the brackets. Asterisk 2 equal to 21 into 189. So, asterisk 2 equal to 3 into 7 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 7. So, here the meaning it is not changing. The meaning remains the same. Just the how you write the number that is changing. Because if you will find the multiplication of 3 into 7, it will result into 21 only. And 3 into 3 into 3 into 7 will result into 189 only. So now we have asterisk 2 equal to 3 into 7 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 7. Now we can find the square again here. So 3 square into 3 square into 7 square. So asterisk 2 equal to 3 square into 3 square into 7 square. So now we will put everyone under one square only. So it will be 3 into 3 into 7 square. So asterisk 2 equal to 3 into 3 into 7 whole bracket square. Now on both sides squares are there, so we can cut it. So it will result into asterisk equal to 3 into 3 into 7, that is 63. So the answer is second option, 63. I hope you understood it. Okay, all the steps are given also on the screen. Now, the ninth question, the smallest fraction which should be subtracted from the sum of 1 3 by 4, 2 1 by 2, 5 7 by 12, 3 1 by 3 and 2 1 by 4 to make the result a whole number. So in such type of question, what we will do, I'll tell you. First of all, we'll add all the numbers, that is 1 3 by 4 plus 2 1 by 2 plus 5 7 by 12 plus 3 1 by 3 plus 2 1 by 4. So we'll do it each and every mixed fraction into improper fraction. After that, you will make the denominator same by the LCM and then you will totally find the answer by adding them. Now, after you have find the answer is 185 by 12. Now, what you will minus from 185 by 12, so you will get a whole number. So, it will be much easier if you convert 185 by 12 into mixed fraction. Because mixed fraction consists of whole number also and the proper fraction also. So it will be much easier. So 185 by 12, so we'll divide 185 by 12. So it will be, quotient will be 15, remainder will be 5. So we'll write the mixed fraction in the form of 15 5 by 12. Now it's very easy. The answer is 5 by 12. Why? Because 15 5 by 12, it is the mixed fraction. And what you will subtract from it to get a whole number. So we'll subtract 5 by 12 to get the whole number 15. So in such type of question where you have to subtract or add to get whole numbers, you have to always convert it into mixed fractions. Now, with the 10th question, which of the following set of fraction is in the descending order? So there are only 3 numbers which are repeated: 3 by 5, 7 by 9 and 6 by 7. So you have to compare these 3 fractions and find out. So to compare, we'll find the LCM of 5, 9 and 7. So that is 315. Now you have to change each and every denominator into 3 into 5. So 315. So 3 by 5, it will be converted to 189 by 315. 7 by 9, it will be converted to 245 by 315. 6 by 7, it will be converted to 270 by 315. Now, descending order, it will be 6 by 7, it is the greatest one. Then 7 by 9 is the middle one, and 3 by 5, it is the smallest one. So descending order will be option 4, 6 by 7, 7 by 9 and 3 by 5. Now the 11th question. 11 square minus 4 square into 2 divided by 4 into 2. So how we will solve this? Now what is 11 square? 11 square, it is 121 minus, what is 4 square? 16 into 2. So 121 minus 16 into 2 divided by 4 into 2. Now we will find out, of course, first by the BODMAS rule, we will find the multiplication. So 16 into 2, 32. So 121 minus 32 divided by 4 into 2. 121 minus 32 is 89, 89 by 8. Now here we don't have answer. So we will convert into mixed fraction, 89 by 8. So divide 89 by 8. Quotient will be 11, remainder is 1. So we know the pattern QRD. Quotient, remainder, divides. So 11, 1 by 8. Answer is the third one. So every time QRD, it is quotient, remainder and divisor. Quotient means the up your answer, remainder is the down one which is left, and divisor is the outer part from which it is the number it is being divided. 12th question. 6 by 119 into 63 by 8 into 17 by 9. Now it is all of cutting. 6 by 119 into 63 by 8 into 17 by 9. So first we'll cut 9 ones are 9. From 17 by 9, that denominator 9 will cut 9 ones are 9. 9 sevens are 63. Now 7 ones are 7. 7 17s are 119. Now 17 they will be cut together, and 6 and 8, it will be done by the 2 table. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So we cut 9 and 63, 17 and 17, 6 and 8. So it will be 3 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 1. So the answer will be 3 by 4. Now our 13th question, 9 by 4 minus question mark by 4 equal to 2. Now here we have same denominators, but in the answer we have denominator as 1. We don't have denominator 4. So we'll convert that 1 denominator into 4 denominator. So 2 will be 8 by 4. So 2 will be 8 by 4. So our other equation will be formed as 9 by 4 minus question mark by 4 equal to 8 by 4. So easily we can know the answer 1. The correct answer for 13th question is option 1, 1. Now, 14th question, 4 by 5 plus 2 1 by 5 plus 2 2 by 3. Converting the mixed fractions into improper fraction, 2 1 by 5, it will be converted to 5 to the 10 plus 1, 11 by 5. 2 2 by 3, it will be converted to 3 2 the 6 plus 2, 8 by 3. Now, in two fractions, you have denominator 5 and in one fraction 3. So, we can easily add those two fractions with the same denominator. So, 4 by 5 plus 11 by 5 is 15 by 5. We can cut it. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. So, our next step will be 3 plus 8 by 3. Now, you can do it by LCM method or by cross multiplication. 3 3s are 9 plus 8 1s are 8. Divide by 3 1s are 3. It will be 17 by 3. We don't have the answer in improper fraction. So we find the mixed fraction of 17 by 3, which is 5 2 by 3. The answer is none of these, as 5 2 by 3 is not in the options. Now the 15th question. Find the value of 48 divided by 12 into, in the bracket, 9 by 8 of 4 by 3 divided by 3 by 4 of 2 by 3 is. Now, by the BODMAS rule, we have to solve the innermost bracket. So that is 9 by 8 of 4 by 3 divided by 3 by 4 of 2 by 3. Of, it means multiplication. So we will rewrite it with changing of into. So 48 divided by 12 into 9 by 8 into 4 by 3 divided by 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. Now by BODMAS rule, we have to first divide. So to change division into multiplication, we reverse the second fraction. So 4 by 3 into 4 by 3. So now we have 9 by 8 into 4 by 3 into 4 by 3 into 2 by 3 in the bracket. So we can cut it, right? 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, and we can cut 4 4. So our next step will be 3 into 4 by 3 into 1, 1 by 3, so we can cut 3 3. So our final step, which will be remained of those all fraction by cutting it, it will be 48 divided by 12 into 4 by 3. 48 divided by 12 is 4. 4 into 4 by 3 is 16 by 3, which is 5 1 by 3. So the answer for the 15th question is 5 1 by 3. Now 16th question. 1 divided by 3 into 5 plus 1 divided by 5 into 7 minus 9 plus 1 divided by 3 into 5 into 7. So 1 divided by 3 into 5 is 15. So it will be 1 divided by 15 plus 7 into 5 is 35. So plus 1 divided by 35 minus 9 plus 1 is 10 divided by 3 into 5 into 7. 5 3s are 15. 15 into 7, 105. So the step will be 1 by 50 plus 1 by 35 minus 10 by 105. Now the LCM of 15, 35 and 105 is 105. 15 7s are 105. So 1 7s are 7 plus 35 3s are 105. So 1 3s are 3 minus 10. So 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. So the answer will be 0 by 105. 0 by 105, it is same as 0. So the answer for the 16th question will be 2, 0. Now 17th question. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 12. Now we can first do all the things in one step only. For that we have to find the LCM of 2, 3, 4 and 12, which is 12. So 2 6 are 12, 1 6 are 6 plus 3 4s are 12, 1 4s are 4. 4 3s are 12, 1 3s are 3 minus 1. So 6 plus 4 10 plus 3 13 minus 1 12. So 12 by 12, which is 1. So the answer for the 17th question is 3. 1. Now the 18th question. 13 1 by 13 plus 13 box by 13 like this equal to 92. Now how we'll solve this type of questions? So first solving the first number, that is 13 into 13 plus 1, 170 by 13. Second number, it will be 13 into 13, 169, plus you will do something, right, divide by 13. Third one, 13 into 13, 169, plus box divide by 13, like this equal to 92. So you can see clearly the step done. Now when we'll add everything, it will be 170 plus 169 plus box plus 169 plus box, like this divide by 13 equal to 92, right? Now if we will assume everything on the top like x, when we will add everything, it will be x by 13 equal to 92. So x equal to 1196. Now as in the first fraction, we have 1 in the place of box. So if we will assume every box to be 1, so it will be the up part, it will be 170 only. So 170 plus 170 like this divide by 13, that is 1190, but we want 1196. So what is the remainder? Means what is the difference? 1196 minus 1190 is 6. Oh, now we want 6 more in the numerators of all the fractions. We want 6 more. So for that, what we will do? We got 1190 as the sum. We want 6 more, but we want to equally divide it also, as we want common number in the box. So we will give 1 to each box, as we have 6 boxes. So the answer will be 2. The common number will be 2. Then if you are not getting this method, you can do by the options. You can see each and every option, and the option number 3 is the correct one too. But I will go that you again rewind the video and see this method very correctly. You will surely get it. Now in this question, arrange the following fraction in ascending order and find the middle fraction. Here all the numerators are same, and we know the method. When numerators are same, greater the denominator, smaller the fraction. So here 9, in the denominator part 9, it is the smallest denominator. So 11 by 9, it will be the greatest fraction. In 11 by 17, 17, it is the greatest denominator. So 11 by 17, it is the smallest fraction. So the ascending order will be 11 by 17, 11 by 15, 11 by 13, 11 by 12 and 11 by 9. So in this 11 by 13, it will be the middle one. Here we complete with part 2. If you want part 3, like and subscribe my channel. Have a great day. Thank you.